This is Team 7, and we are going to give you a high-level overview of big data and Hadoop.
What is big data? Big data is large data sets that, due to the volume, cannot be processed in traditional processing software.
Due to increasing volume, velocity, and variety of data, cannot be solved with traditional databases. Volume means data ranging from terabytes to petabytes. Variety means data from a wide range of sources and formats, including weblogs, social media interactions, e-commerce and online transactions, and financial transactions, to name a few. Velocity means the increasing need to process data quickly. Therefore, data needs to be collected, stored, processed, and analyzed with relatively short windows, ranging from daily to real time. What is Hadoop? Hadoop is an open-source software designed to store and process data sets of big data with Hadoop Distributed File System, called HDFS, and MapReduce, respectively. Hadoop can sort, search, and make complicated queries with large amounts of information running parallel with each other. Hadoop saves time and provides more accurate results. Hadoop primarily processes big data through HDFS and MapReduce. So let's take a look at how HDFS works. Imagine you want to store a file. The file is 170 megabytes. When the file is uploaded in HDFS, it is divided into 3 blocks. The default size is 64 megabytes. Block 1 is 64 megabytes, Block 2 is 64 megabytes, and Block 3 is 42 megabytes. Each of these blocks will be stored in different nodes. Block 1 will be stored in Node 1, Block 2 will be stored in Node 2, and Block 3 will be stored in Node 4. To read the file, you send the request through the node coordinator, and this node will send the request to Node 1, 2, and 4, where the blocks are. This is necessary to upload large files and have fast access to them. MapReduce is divided into 2 processes, map and reduce. Let's say you want to find the sentences, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hadoop will send the search to the data nodes and try to find these inputs. Once they are found, Hadoop counts the times these sentences happen and writes them as key values. This is the map phase. In the reduce phase, Hadoop sorts the data and puts together all the good first, then the morning, then the afternoon, and so on and so forth. Then it reduces the data by adding up the outputs and writing them down in a file. When all the databases are done with the summations, the report is done.